Hello, fellow foam flying freaks and freakish, fiendish, fixed winged flyers. My name is Anthony, and this is FPV Builds. Stole that intro from VoiceStar Labs. I kind of like what he does with all of the words that he uses. It's pretty cool. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the X-Fly twin 40 millimeter wing that they just came out with. Got this from Banana Hobby. Came within a couple of days. I originally had ordered this from Turbines RC, and I pre-ordered it, and they said it was like free shipping, and then all of a sudden I got the invoice, and it just didn't work out with them. I ordered it on a Monday from Banana Hobby, and it was here within like 3 days. So the Banana Hobby really has done a great job of stepping up their customer service and shipping. Price on this was $149 with shipping included, which is crazy when you think about it. So that's where we are. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Box came in pretty good. Little damage in shipping, nothing major. Like I said, Banana Hobby has really stepped up their game lately. And if you haven't watched VoiceStar Labs, great channel, great content. I'm a big fan of his work. It's where I kind of stole my intro from, although I don't do it as good as he does. So I kind of feel like they missed an opportunity with this plane. X-Fly missed an opportunity with this plane. They could have put like a little notch, like some of the manufacturers have done on the canopy for an FPV setup, or like a removable piece of foam for the FPV setup, so people can fly it with FPV or without FPV. But that's my only critique at this time. Let's just get rid of this box real quick. Sorry about that. This should be a pretty short unboxing because this is a pretty small plane. So what intrigued me about this plane is not only is it a twin 40 millimeter EDF, but where they mounted the motors. It's a wing mounted motor, and there's a channel, I believe, called Think Flight on YouTube, and he did a test with seeing how efficient wings were with engines, motors mounted on the tips of the wings. And he did a whole video about how it disrupts the airflow and stuff like that. Very cool video. I can put a link to the description on there. But it seems like there was some validity. Maybe he even ended up designing this plane, because I believe he also designed the Goblin. But it seems like there's some validity to what he was doing, because they came out with a plane that has motors mounted on the wings. So box is nice. Not only do I like wings, but I also am a huge fan of EDFs. Go chopping that out. I have the overhead cam up as well, so I'll put that like I usually do in the corner of the video. Actually, let me stand over to the side a little bit more here so I have some more room to put that up in the corner without chopping my face off. They did a really good job packaging this plane. There's definitely no way this thing's flopping around in this box. And even the foam is form fit to the top of the wing. That's really good for shipping, so it doesn't get damaged. More manufacturers should consider doing that. I'm sure it costs extra, which it amazes me that you're able to buy this plane, servos, foam, motors, ESCs for $149. I keep saying planes like this, deals like this, it kind of questions the whole flight test thing with building the foam birds. I'm not knocking flight test. It just, I don't know. I think for $149 to get this, I think that would be about the same price if not a little bit cheaper than a flight test plane. So there you go. There's the canopy. There's the hatch. This is a gyro, so it comes with a gyro. It's got a label. It says gear on here, which I don't know why it says that, because I don't believe it has retracts. No, it does not have retracts. So why does it say gear? All right, but so there you go. There you have it. This is a nice little plane. Nothing on the bottom of the box. Probably the quickest unboxing ever. So, there you go. Nice size wing. Compare it to, let's see, popular wing is the Sonic model AR wing. We'll compare it to that real quick size-wise and see what we have. All right, yep, it's basically the exact same size as the Sonic model AR wing. So, this is the original AR wing. A little dirty and beat up. But there you go. Let's put that back. Oh boy, I'm running out of space for all these wings. Okay, there you go. All right, so this is what we got. Be pretty cool as a tail sitter, right? So it's got two fingers here. You don't have to worry about getting your fingers chopped off by a prop on this. It's got the indents for the finger launch right there, which are nice. Oop, there you go. Like Linus from Linus Tech Tips, dropping things. All right, and we'll check what's inside here. So, decent sized canopy. They even put a piece of 3M double-sided tape here for your receiver when you put that in, and that's where all the leads go right there. Let me see what size. So it's got 220 amp ESCs. It's about right for those EDFs. Are so tiny and cute. It's so funny. They're 12 blade 40 millimeter EDFs. I gotta say the foam on this feels pretty solid. It's a nice wing. It's nice and solid, nice and sturdy. There's no flex to this whatsoever. So yeah, this thing will be ready for a maiden pretty quickly. I'll throw a receiver and an FPV setup on it, and there you go. All right. Everything seems to be pretty good. Ball link hinges. Yep, ball link on the control surfaces, which is nice. I gotta say, for the price of this plane and free shipping involved, I would definitely go over to Banana Hobby and grab one of these. Now, I'm not affiliated or sponsored by Banana Hobby in any way. I just think that they've really stepped up their game lately, and I think it's good, right? It makes the other manufacturers start to question some of their pricing and what they're doing and stuff like that. Competition is always good. It benefits us, the consumer. So I don't know too many planes that you can get that have this kind of quality from other manufacturers for $149 shipped. So I know Banana doesn't make this, X-Fly does, but you can't find it at Horizon. You can't find this plane at Motion. So Banana Hobby is where to go to get this. Nice magnets on the latch. Yep. All right, let's see. Nice instruction package. Go through this really quickly. All right, they even have a wiring layout for the gyro and the receiver, which is nice. Gyro instructions. That's very helpful. And let's see here. I believe this is a 3S plane. You probably are not going to want to fly it on 4S with those 20 amp ESCs. Oh, recommended battery, 4S 2200. Nice. So it is a 4S plane. So 4S, 18 to 2200. 40 amps. Yeah, it's about right for a 4S between the two motors, 40 amp. That's about right. It might press the ESCs if you're flying it really hard a little bit, but that seems about right. The instructions are pretty good, nice and detailed. It gives you a CG location as well. Right there. So CG is 162 millimeters from the nose. So that puts it right around the back of the canopy here. And there is no CG marks. That would have been nice. So wings specifically, CG is very important. I've been seeing a lot of people have issues flying, new people coming into the hobby, specifically in the INAV groups and stuff like that, having issues launching wings. CG on wings is very important. It's more important than regular planes, traditional planes. You have to have the CG on point on wings. So yeah, so that's it. We're going to throw FPV setup. I'll throw the camera here, put the VTX back a little bit, just so it gets some nice airflow. I'll do it nicely where you can't really tell. And I'm just trying to figure out what this leads to, because I guess this is just a landing skid that they put here. It's not hollow underneath it, so. But very nice plane. I opted to get the red instead of the green. This is a very nice wing. So there you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Depending on how the maiden goes, if I like how it flies, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, I'll give it away. Thanks for watching. Please check out the rest of our videos. I'll have some stuff down in links for you. And I appreciate all of the love and everything I've been getting recently about the channel. So thanks, everybody. Keep on flying.